Hi there, my name is Prachi Kaur Gidwani and I have an experience of teaching chemistry for ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th in a private coaching institute for about 2 years now. Since this position is only for classes from 8th to 10th, let me give a sample lecture on the topic of metals and non-metals. So, what are metals? Metals are the elements that are good conductors of heat and electricity and are show properties such as malleability and ductility. What are these big words that I just said? So, let me discuss the physical properties of metals. Physical properties are the properties that you can see, touch, and feel, and even hear sometimes. So, the first physical property is the hardness. Most of the metals are hard except alkali metals. Alkali metals are soft. These metals are sodium, potassium, lithium, etc. Soft metals can be cut by using a knife. Second property is the strength. Most of the metals are strong and have a high tensile strength. Because of this, big structures are made using metals. Metals such as iron and copper are used for making buildings and bridges, which are very strong. Third is the state. Metals are generally solids at room temperature except mercury, which is present in the thermometers. You can see it rise when your temperature goes up and fall down when your temperature is normal. Sound. Most of the metals make a ringing sound upon hitting. That's why they are sonorous. The ringing sound is also called metallic sound, and this is the reason why metal wires are used in musical instruments such as guitars. Conduction. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. This is the reason why electrical connections in your home, such as electric wires, are made of metals such as copper and aluminium. Malleability. Metals are malleable. That means if you hit it with a hammer, it can form thin sheets, and that's why big ships are made using metals such as iron. Ductility. Metals are ductile. That means when you hit them, they can also be drawn into thin wires. Because of this, wires are made by using metals. Boiling and melting points. Metals generally have a very high melting and boiling points, except for potassium, which will melt even in your hand. Density. Most of the metals are high density. Color. Most of the metals are grey in color except for gold and copper, which have a luster and a different color. Gold has a different color, as you can see in your jewelry, and copper has a different color, as you can see in most of the wires. Thank you.